Hey Flutter enthusiasts, welcome back to Flutter Sky. Today we're diving into one of Flutter's most visually appealing widgets, the Hero widget. Get ready to add some magic to your app transitions. Imagine you're flipping through a photo album. As you turn the page, a photo seems to lift off one page and fly to the next. That's essentially what a Hero widget does in your Flutter app. Their primary purpose is to guide the user's attention without distracting from the core content of the app. Now that we've covered what hero animations are, let's dive into the code and see how we can implement them. Take a moment to open your IDE, and let's start coding. As you can see, when we tap on an item, the image smoothly transitions from the list view to the detail view. It's like the image is flying between screens. Behind the scenes, Flutter is doing some magic. Let's take a look at the code. The listview.builder generates a list of 10 items dynamically. Each item has a list tile with a circle avatar wrapped in a hero widget. The tag is crucial because it's how Flutter knows which widgets to animate. In this case, I'm using the index to ensure each item has a unique tag. The onTap function triggers the navigator to push to a new material page or out. The details screen. The details screen takes the index as a parameter. This index is passed to the hero widget, which identifies the item details using the index. Again, I've used a network image for the demonstration. You can use your own images to use them in your apps. As we go through this code, think about how you could implement hero animations in your own projects. Have you used hero widgets before? Let me know in the comments. So, to recap, we've set up a list view with images wrapped in hero widgets, used a unique tag for each item, and navigated to a detail view where the hero animation smoothly transitions between screens. Flutter is working behind the scenes to identify the hero widgets with matching tags on both screens. It calculates the start and end positions of the widget. It creates an animation that moves and scales the widget from the start position to the end position. During the animation, the widget is actually drawn on top of both screens in the navigator's overlay. This creates the illusion of the widget flying between screens, providing a smooth and engaging user experience. Hero animations are a powerful tool in your Flutter toolkit. They can significantly enhance your app's user experience when used thoughtfully. Remember, hero animations are powerful, but they're best used to guide the user's attention and create meaningful transitions. Less is often more. That's all for today, Flutter Sky family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Flutter tips and tricks. Happy coding!